Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. It's a little bit later today, so sun is not shining, but we just got this fresh car in. I wanted to go over in a video. This is a 2018 Model 3 long-range all-wheel drive with AutoPilot. This is a small wheel car. As you can see, it has the disc on it, but the car is in fantastic shape. Came to us from out of Texas, so no worries there about it, but just coming around the back. Car's in excellent condition. All the glass is intact, no cracks in it, nothing, no chips. Got a little thing on the wheel here, nothing too bad. We can get that touched up for you. And there was one little mark here on the front bumper. Let me point that out. That some touch up was there. It's real small, as you can see. That's my fingernail, so about the size of a fingernail. And then there was one little nick here on the door, right there, and you can kind of see my fingernail for reference. But excellent condition car. The most important thing is going to be on the inside here. Of course, it's the important options, but vegan car, black interior. It's got the brown trim. And we'll go in here, and this is what you want to see. Go ahead and you can pause that, but you see that there is AutoPilot, acceleration boost, and premium connectivity. Premium connectivity is obviously going to expire in a couple of days, but you do have some excellent options there, the acceleration boost especially. So you also have there, no cracks in it, like to show that. So this car does have 71,000 miles on it. It's a little high in the miles. It is a one-owner car, clean CarFax, nothing to worry about there. No paint work on the car, and we're putting 4 new tires on it. These aren't original, but we'll have to replace those. So the best thing about this car, it's a long-range all-wheel drive, acceleration boost with AutoPilot. This car is going to be priced at $32,991. It's a steal for this car. Still some factory warranty left on the battery and the drivetrain, so it's going to be going live here tonight. Today is Wednesday, so by Friday you'll be seeing it on all the sites, and I'll be ready to go home. So come see us here at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee, or check us out on the web at www.hybridandelectriccarsales.com. Thanks all.